Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing two of very requested, not on my channel, but I know that everyone wants to know what's in these boxes. So I got an Essence mystery box with 5 products in, and I also got the Catrice one with 5 products in. So today we're going to be unboxing them and just seeing. I'm not going to be trying them on because I want to keep them for a little giveaway, but I will open it and show you guys what it is and the colors and what you're getting for the price. So the prices for these boxes are, this one is 115 Rand at Takealot. I know that you also get some of these at Dealz, which is like a crazy 10 Rand store kind of thing, but I'm not sure if they, I know last year they had stock. I don't know if they have. I saw the other day the bigger one with the 10 products for I think 199 Rand, and Takealot has it for 215 Rand or something, so it's actually cheaper. But yeah, so we're going to be unboxing this one first, and then the Catrice one is 119 Rand, and you also get 5 products. So yeah, it is very cheap. I mean, normally you don't know what you're gonna get, but let's see. So yeah, I'm gonna open this one. It has a little tab, so let's open that. I'm gonna try not to destroy the packaging because I want to give it away still. So when you open it, this is what you see. Pretty paper. I'm not going to tear that, so I'm going to try and get the product out this side so it still looks pretty when someone else gets it. So yeah, the first thing you get in the box is a Essence Glow and Care Luminous Nail Polish with cocoa oil. I have no idea what that is, but that is what you get. That's the first product. It's quite pretty. It's almost like a nude, but it's got a little bit of a shimmer in. I don't know if you guys can pick that up on the camera. So yeah, that's the first. Second is we've got an extreme lasting eye pencil, waterproof, up to 16 hours. This is in the shade Heart of Gold. So it's like a gold eyeliner. It says it's long lasting, so it's one of those that you have to sharpen. I'm not going to swatch it because I want to give this away, so you guys kind of have an idea though. And then we have an Essence Rock and Doll Volume and Eye Opening Mascara. So that is what that looks like. Let's see the wand. Okay, so it's little bendy wand, like bended for your eye shape. So that's already the third one. So if I have to put this together so far, I don't know, just an average. I'm not going to go check prices now. The Essence Glow and Care is the special bottle, so it's not those normal ones that are 30 Rand. So this is already, like, say, let's say 50 Rand. Pencil 50 Rand, so that's already 100 Rand. Mascara 50 Rand, so 150 Rand. What is next? Okay. So we have an Essence Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss. This one is in the shade Simply Be an Icon. So it's like a red brownish brick shade, if you guys can pick that up. I'm not going to swatch it, but you guys can see the color. It's actually beautiful for creasiness. Oh, it smells like pudding, like, oh, that's actually very nice. So yeah, we already say, for instance, 200 Rand, and the boxes are only like 115 Rand. Then the last thing you get in, I know that last year you got a little palette with the box, but this year it seems like they're not doing that again. So we get an Essence Stale Day Translucent Fixing Powder. That is what that looks like. Open it up, it's closed, so oh, sorry guys. So that's what you're getting. It is translucent, it's very white. So as you guys can see from the side, it's very white. So those are the products that you get in this year's Essence, or kind of. I don't know if they vary. I'm sure there's different things in different boxes. I'm not too sure because it doesn't seem, some of these products are still on the shelf, but it seems like they, I don't know if they use discontinued products or things that they have too much of, or how exactly it works. So that is that box from Essence. Now we go over to the Catrice one. So let's open this. Let me try not to destroy it. There we go. Then when you open it, okay, it's the same kind of packaging, just Catrice. Looks very pretty. So I'm going to try and also not destroy it. Okay, let's dig in on the side. Okay, so the first thing is a Catrice Cosmetics 3D Lash Multumizer Effect Mascara. It's waterproof. So, oh sorry, this is what that one looks like. I don't know if you guys can read. And the wand is like a rubber one. So like a straight rubber one. So I know that Catrice products are a little bit more expensive than Essence. So you're obviously getting also a lot of products worth of money. Not too sure if it's the products that you want, but you know, it's a nice thing to buy for someone for Christmas, I think. It's very affordable for someone that's into makeup. So we've got the Catrice Ico Nails Gel Lacquer. This one is in the shade Nice Cream, lasts up to 7 days. So this is almost like an off-white cream pinkish shade. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. I love the packaging, it's very pretty. Okay, the third item is Catrice Lip Cushion with Integrated Soft Sponge Applicator. Oh, I don't know how this thing works. This one is in the shade A Little Soul Fruit. So that is what that looks like. Oh, it's like the spongy thing. So that is the tip, if you guys can see. I think you turn this bottom thing and then the shade will, or the lipstick will obviously come out there. Oh, I actually want this. It's very interesting, but I won't because I've got too much makeup. Then the second last thing is Catrice Cosmetics Kohl Kajal Easy Glide. I think it's an eyeliner. And it says this one is in the shade Copper Cat. So that is what that one looks like. If you open it, it's like a pencil. So it's obviously for your waterline. It's a fleshy color to open your eye up. And then the last thing is Catrice Liquid Luminizer Strobing Pen. This one is in the shade Sleeping Beauty. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take the sticker off just to show you guys what it looks like inside, but that's what it looks like on the outside. It is sealed with a sticker. I'm going to take the sticker off, but I'm not going to use it because, as I've said like many times now, I want to give it away. Okay, so when you open it, ooh, that's weird. Okay, so it's got like a brush applicator. Sorry, let me just put the, as you guys can see, it's got like a little brush applicator and you obviously turn it. This one is in the shade Sleeping Beauty's Rose. So yeah, that's what you get. I actually like the Catrice one a little bit more than the Essence, to be quite honest. Yeah, so I hope this was interesting and that you guys actually figured out if you want. I know that you guys wanted to buy some and you weren't sure if you should get or you shouldn't, but I think, to be honest, I like it. I would have preferred there be a little palette or something in the Essence one. I know that Catrice is a little bit more expensive, so that's why they probably have other products in it, but I think I prefer the Catrice one that I got better than the Essence one. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.